Hello. So I know my channel's mainly about cars and stuff in the van, but I'm also into shooting. Not so much shooting like rabbits or live stuff. Don't mind shooting rats, they're crap. But Kim turned us soft, I'm not really into shooting rabbits anymore, used to be. But I've got an old air rifle, I've got a B3-1 air rifle that I bought for me. It's a Chinese thing. I think it's like, I've had it about 14 years and I don't know how long he had it before I bought it. Bought it for like 15 quid when I was like 13 or something. And to be honest, it was always crap. The sights were never right on it and it was just crap, and I was always skint because I was young. So it kind of went in the cupboard. There we go. It went in the cupboard and got left, and went on holiday. Been on holiday to Keswick. There's a gun shop in Keswick. Not a proper gun shop, but it sells BBs, guns, air rifles, that sort of stuff, and sells scopes. So I went and bought a scope for the air rifle, which is the air rifle stripped at the minute. I wasn't going to video it, but I might as well. It's a Milbro Clearview C3 9B320 332. It's also adjustable zoom, which is pretty cool. Adjustable zoom, and also illuminates, which is pretty fucking cool. Red or green, it's adjustable. And it was a steal because I got it for 25 quid. No, I have 25 quid, so I thought I'll throw it on the old air rifle. If it's crap, I'll get a better air rifle. But so now I'm going to restore the old air rifle. It's looking a bit tired. It was covered in real tree tape stuff. It's crap, man. So I brought it to work. I've already started stripping it. I'm going to strip it and restain it and put it back together and service the air rifle. And then go shoot some targets at the shooting range. Why not? I'm just stripping the stock down with stripping the old stuff off. It's even got runs in. It's crap. Stripping the old stock, just buzzing off 180. I'm going to stain it with that wood stain once I get it stripped. I can't get the rubber butt off because it's riveted into the top and there's a screw in the bottom. It's no point. I'll just tidy it up. Then I might see if I can tidy up and clean the barrel. Might even try and re-blue it if I can. And I also need to see if I can make the trigger better, because the trigger's horrendous on it. It's heavy as fuck. It's square, so you can't really get your finger on it. You're getting right on the tippy top of your finger. It's square, it's heavy as fuck, so when you pull it and you try to be accurate, it knocks you off. Unless you're sitting propped onto something like a sandbag. So, buzz that off next. So I stripped it, buzzed it all off with 180 on the little machine. Went into them grooves, they're a pain in the arse. Had to rep it with 120 and then over 180, and then went over the whole thing with with 400 actually. There's still some marks in there I might try and flat out. You can see where the machine marks have been on the stock. But yeah. And then I'm going to stain it, varnish it and put it back together. So here it is. Here's the finished air rifle. It's not finished. I haven't done the barrel or anything. Stock's done. It's been stripped, restained and then varnished. It's come out a lot nicer than it was. You can see the grain nice. It's got a nice sheen to it. It's not shiny. It's not matte. It comes out nice. So all in all, I think that's a spotty dog result. Look at that. It's just got a nice finish to it. Nice colour as well. Spotty dog, eh? Now it's ready to take to the shooting range and shoot some targets.